I'm a dude playing a dude dressed up this guy.
That's a cameo.
Yeah, there's my cameo. I'll flirt with Dan.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to cover my legs. I'm tired of directing anyway.
Wow. Your shirt says ANF though.
Oh.
Ladies,
I'll just take it off.
it is a video. Say hi.
It's a video.
How are you guys doing?
Doing good.
Pose for a picture. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Fix your boobies.
That's right.
Look at them. They hanging out there.
Oh, yeah, that's right, because I have this in there.
Uh-oh. Oh, let's get a close-up of that. What was that? What was that? Oh. Awesome.
I was trying to do
How
that.
you doing?
Good.
I got the light in the background.
That way. That's good.
Good.
Covering up my logo.
Much better.
Okay.
There we go. Better angle.
Aaron, come here and take a look at the framing just to see if you like this. You're covered.
Extras wave.
I'm like, I don't like the lights.
Say hi.